Come and let me show you how to create catchy melodies. Creating catchy melody can be hard sometimes, and we all know a good melody combined with bouncy drums is key to create fire instrumental. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to easily come up with catchy melody. Let's have some fun. Let's fix our tempo. I think I'm gonna go with a 90 and I'm gonna load contact. For this video, I am going to focus on guitar melody. We're gonna combine it with maybe some vocal chop and so on. Let's go with library view, classic view, and let's use an acoustic guitar. Let's use the pick nylon. One of the easiest way to create melodies is to find some good chord progressions, and then after you add counter melody. So let's say that we try to find chord that work together. First thing is to try to find roots note that sound good when you play them. Let's say we'll go with this. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. You see, those sounds good together. So let's say that we are creating our first chord. We skip one, we add one. We skip one, we add another one. That gives us a C sharp minor. So if you want to create the first melody, let's say that we transpose this one octave higher, and then we take this right here, and then we can repeat the same roots note right there, and then we can go right here with this one, and let's chop everything here. And then now we have. Now it's time to humanize the guitar. That means make it sound like someone is actually playing it live. You do that with the velocity. Add a little bit right there, and then this one we add more tension. You see? It's different. You see? Okay, now we're gonna try to create the second chord. It's gonna be this. We skip when we add one. This is a major chord, but let's take this right there, and then we transpose this one octave higher, and then nice. Again. That's the base of the chord. Let's say that we copy the same thing right here, like no, sorry, and then we do the same thing here. We go to G sharp. I don't like this. Maybe we add another G sharp here. Okay, now we are going to add some counter melody. Let's start here. Okay, that's the note that I have in my head. Okay, and now we play with the velocity again. Okay. Okay, we can take the same note right there, and then we do the same thing. First thing to do now is to remove some of the low frequencies. We are using the Manny Moroccan EQ. Let's go to 250, and then let me show you the frequencies that we are called. 10. Sound better already. Now we are going to add the RC20. Well, you my RC20, the retro color. Okay, let's remove the noise. You see? That's nice. We have a nice guitar melody. Now I think we can complete it with either flute, saxophone, violin, just to bring the soul to the melody that we are creating. I think I'm gonna go with this instrument called Ero. It is a Chinese instrument. Ample China Ero. This instrument sounds so good, so realistic. Okay, I think I am going to make sure it sounds better. Let's take this one here instead. I think it's too fast. Oh, another thing I can do in the guitar to make sure it sounds more realistic, we can make sure that those are not tight on time. Nice. Okay, now let's make sure this arrow sound better. We can use different articulation. For example, on this, I wanna start. You see? Okay, let's go. Let's try to do that. I think we're on this right there. Okay. Okay. That's better. Nice. I think I remember one that sounds good. I think it's this one right there. Nice. Let's go with the burden vocal chop, and let's create the corporation real quick. Okay, now. That's good. Now let's add maybe some shaker. Let's add this one. Nice. Okay. Here we go. Okay, comment B. I think I love this. Sorry. I love it. Now I think I am going to try to find some vocal chop so I can combine it with the vibe that I have right there. I'm gonna go try to find those vocal chops on Splice and then get back to y'all. Na 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 na. Na, 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 na. Okay, maybe, and then we can add this. Maybe we make this longer. maybe.
You say I.
Hi. Okay, let's say we reverse those and then we add it here. Maybe we just put it 200 cents again.
Yeah.
And then we add it here again.
Yeah.
You say hi.
Yeah. You say I.
Okay, make sure those are there.
Yeah. Yeah.
You say okay.
Yeah. You say I.
Add some reverb. Let's use the Valhalla vintage verb. We keep the default preset and then we add some delay. Use the delay to it.
Yeah. You say I.
Okay, I'm thinking about something on the guitar. Remember, we can use the mute guitar too. Let's see. When you create something like this, it's become easier to create the drum, some bouncy drum, and then boom, you have a nice fire instrumental. Now, I'm gonna let you enjoy the vibe we create. Let me know in the comment section if you prefer the guitar, the mute guitar, or if you prefer the open one. The open one is this one. The mute is this one. I think this is fire too. So I might keep it on the open one, and let me know in the comment section, guys, which one do you prefer, which one you want me to keep. So enjoy. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Also follow me on Instagram, TikTok at Samy Beatz, and see you on the next one.